Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today Marlee is here and she's gonna do, well, she's gonna try and make me look like a grandma using makeup.
We have a photo.
We don't actually know.
This 11-year-old girl.
We don't know if it's gonna work, but you know, you live, you learn. So,
Sparkle like a unicorn.
we got that for Christmas last year.
This is a good one. This is this one. Just having a look, okay?
You
take your eyelashes. Oh.
Don't leave eyelashes on. Or do you reckon old ladies don't have eyelashes?
I don't think they do. Maybe I can paint them white. It's okay, I can paint them white.
No, I'll just take them off. I'll just like wipe them off.
When did you get Urban Decay?
Oh, where's there?
I don't know how to open it. Oh, I got it. Wow! Okay. Why do you keep the box? Does she have any colour in her life? No. What's in here? Is this all colours?
That's the colour burst part. Colours have colours.
No, but is it all colours? Like
yes,
all of them? Boring.
James Charles will have all the colours then. Except for burgundy.
What about that? Burgundy?
What happened?
I'm going to use this white, but we won't need that yet. See on the high points of the face. Okay. So.
Yes.
Have you got contour?
Yeah, really bad stuff.
Yeah. This one?
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
This one. We're back.
It happened to me? How do I do this in your face? Stop moving so I can actually do your face. Really good. It looks really good.
You know those super whites don't actually work. They're batteries right now. Just
What batteries are they?
This one does.
Oh, they suck.
I know. I believe you bought that for me.
Yeah, I have the same.
I'm scared. Do I look
Really bad? Yeah.
oh my god.
Is that a mullet comment?
Okay, I'm not gonna ruin. Actually, yeah, I am. Do you need tweezers?
No, I'm getting rid of the glue.
Oh, okay.
Because it's peeling off.
You don't peel the eyebrows off.
Too late.
See what I mean? It's not easy. You thought.
I thought.
You thought, but I knew.
It's really bad, Lily.
Go, just make eyebrows on top of this.
No, I would have glued them and not put concealer on it.
No, but
apparently the white in the James Charles palette is
flashback.
really good.
I'm so excited.
Lily got it if you didn't know. Grateful for mine. I'm so grateful for mine. You can move.
No, I don't want to move.
Wouldn't make it any better.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road.
But why were you an old lady makeup again?
Because you're an old lady. Oh, you ruined it now. It was you. What's the... Oh, I can't... I'm using the Morphe M433 this whole time. Haven't changed.
So you don't clean brushes here?
Yes, you do.
That's your lips that are like, help. No, your lips.
Apparently they have wrinkles in their lips. That's all.
I don't even like this one. Why is this playing? I like mine.
I give up on them. We're not going to do them.
My main burgers was grandma's one time.
Did you ask me if I remember? Because I don't.
Everyone knew that we were kids and we didn't know why.
Oh, you pretend you went into the...
We went into town. I think we just put like old clothes on. And we went to Ruben Maroney's house and we like knocked on the window and Freya was there. I'm pretty sure. We knocked on the window, pretend old ladies dancing and they just knew it was us. We were like, why does everyone know who we are? And we would walk past someone and they said, oh, you girls, crack me up. Like, where are we? We walked past this old couple and they just started laughing at us and we didn't know why.
Because they're like, ha ha ha, those idiots. Look down, your pants are falling down. Look at that side. Damn, I did a good job. Should they add like what grandmas wear? Like a gross lipstick? Green? It turns into like a Are these three Kylie ones? Yeah, that one's Coco. Oh, it's Kylie. No. Just a plain lip liner. And then just like gloss or gross stuff in the middle. And blue eyeshadow.
But like dodgily applied.
Go like this. Put your half lip.
Okay, so it hasn't been filming for God knows how long.
But
anyway, I haven't seen it still. We're about to do the reveal.
I did some blue eyeshadow. You can tell by this. We'll do a little glam at the end. But ready? Are you ready?
Oh my God, I'm so.
What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at?
I'm petrified.
I don't get the problem. I don't see the problem.
It's really good though. I look.
I know, don't look at that eyebrow. I told you, it looks good this half. Let's make you bald too. You need to have like a weird grandma fringe.
Okay, wait.
I'll do your hair.
How am I gonna-
I can also hair.
Okay, she's the hair. I'll just.
Oh, you've got two hair ties in here?
Hello dear, how are you today? My name is
Janet.
Jill.
Not Jill.
Not Jill. Janine. I'm Janine. And I'm here today.
Don't talking like that. I hate it. Wait, is that a focus?
I don't think my feelings do it.
Wait, look at me. Oh, it's good. It's a good one.
Hot taste.
Janine! Oh, just the makeup? You can't even see the makeup. Oh, hey, no.